Well, guys, today I'm gonna show you how I did this arm. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 controllers. This controller, well, these are all bones, but they work as controllers. This one controls the wrist and also the direction of the arm. This controls the angle. And these three control the bones in the fingers. This is all done with a constraint, with bone constraints, with a bone constraint called IK. So let me show you. First thing we have to do is create an armature. And here's just one bone, okay? So now I'm gonna go to my X view to see it all in plane. Now, I go to my edit mode and I click on this little sphere right here. I'm always gonna extrude from this little sphere because if I extrude from the whole body, it creates, oh, I'm sorry, for example here, it creates two. That's what was happening with Sophia. But it doesn't matter. You just have to grab this little sphere and make your extrusions. There it is. I'm gonna make just 4 right here, but I'm not gonna count this one because it's like the root. So I'm gonna create just one last one. And
really quickly, how do you get again the armature? That's how you say it?
Oh, yeah, the armature.
Yeah.
Right here in add armature.
Oh, okay, thank you.
There it is. It creates only one, but you can't modify it in object mode. You have to go to edit mode and click on the sphere. And using this tool right here called extrude, I'm gonna grab this circle and make my extrusions. There it is. And one last extrusion for the target. Okay, so now I am gonna rename this one to target. How do I rename it? Right here in your bone properties. Target. Now, I am gonna clear the parent because I want this bone to be disconnected from the others. So now I right click and clear parent. And I'm gonna move it. It's disconnected now. So now I'm gonna go to pose mode because here is where I can use the bone constraint properties. Now I am gonna put inverse kinematics. Think of it as the object constraints, but only with bones. So now I'm gonna specify my target. I'm gonna select this armature, and here I'm gonna pick the bone called target. Now, if I move my target in pose mode, the whole chain is gonna follow it. We don't want this bone to move, so we have to click on the yellow bone. And now here where it says chain length, you're gonna specify that we only want these ones to move and not this one.
Okay.
So you have to specify the number of bones you have here. In this case, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's right.
Like
Click
that?
enter. Yeah. And now when you move your target, there it is.
I see.
Nice, Memo.